Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to pin a post on. So the step are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. Just make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. So after you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you come to this menu, all you have to do now, tap on this profile, your profile icon. So after you open your profile icon now, scroll to down. Now you can be able now to see all your posts. As you can see now, here is all I'm a post. So now if I want to just pin a post, all you have to do now, tap on this three dot beside the first, this three dot. After you tap on this three dot, now tap on this pin post. So now the post will come to the top of my all posts. As you can see now, if I open now my profile like this one, if you scroll to down, so now the post that you pin, it will be the first post you can see. As you can see here, it says pin post. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.